Next we come to second question. How many diagonals does each of the following have? A convex, quadrilateral. So quadrilateral means it has four sides. A convex quadrilateral which has four sides and its diagonals will be inside. So our formula, number of diagonals in a convex quadrilateral is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 minus n. So that is n is equal to 4. 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 4. So 2 goes into 4 2 times. So 2 into 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So number of diagonals in a convex quadrilateral is 2. Next, fourth question. Third question will come. Third question is, what is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Is this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. So sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral is 360 degrees. This property holds if the quadrilateral is a convex quadrilateral. That will be the answer. Next, examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. Figure is triangle, sides are 3. Already we know sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180. Here the figure is quadrilateral, sides are 4. So it is divided into two triangles. So this triangle 180 degrees, this triangle 180 degrees. So 2 into 180 degrees. This quadrilateral has 4 sides. So 2 you get 4 minus 2 into 180. Next, this is a pentagon. Number of sides is 5. Here it is divided into 3 triangles. So 3 into 180 degrees. So how do you get 3? 5 sides minus 2. 5 minus 2 into 3 into 180. Here this is hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is divided into 4 triangles. So 4 into 180. Total number of sides are 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4 into 180. What can you say about the angles of a convex polygon with the number of sides? We can say sum of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides is equal to n minus 2 into 180. 4 sides means 4 minus 2. N minus 2 means n place we are writing 4. 5 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Now here we come to 7 sides. So 7 and 8 sides. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon having n sides is equal to, formula is n minus 2 into 180. Here n is equal to 7. Therefore, sum of the interior angles is equal to, in the place of n we substitute 7. 7 minus 2 into 180. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 into 180 is 900. Next we come to n is equal to 8. Angle sum is equal to, formula is n minus 2 into 180. In the place of n, number of sides is equal to 8. We have to substitute 8. 8 minus 2 into 180. 8 minus 2 6. 6 into 180 is 1080 degrees. Next, fifth question. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. Regular polygon. If all the sides and all the angles of a polygon are, if all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal in a polygon, then we call it as regular polygon. A regular polygon with the 3 sides is equilateral triangle, 4 sides is a square, 6 sides is a regular hexagon. So find the angle measure in each of the x in each of the following. Here you look at the figure. Here 90 degrees. So this side also it is 90 degrees. This is x, this is 70, this is 60, this is 90. It is a quadrilateral. So sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. X degrees plus 70 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So x plus 70 plus 60, 130 plus 90, 220, which is equal to 360. X is equal to 360. Take 220 degrees right side, it becomes minus 220. So 360 minus 220 is 140. Therefore x is equal to 140. Why here it is 90 degrees? If you take any line, on a line at any point on a line, the angle is 180 degrees. So this is 90 means this is also 90. This is 30 means this is 150. This is 40 means this is 140. Next we will come to C bit. So here x, these two angles are equal. This is 30 degrees. So here 70 degrees is given. So the angle at any point on a line is 180 degrees. This is 70 means 180 minus 70 is 110. This is 60 means 180 minus 60 is 120, or 120 plus 60 is 180. 70 plus 110 is 180. So sum of the interior angles of a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Pentagon is, our formula is n minus 2 into 180, which is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180, which is equal to 3 into 180 is 540. So x plus 30 degrees plus x plus 120 plus 110 is equal to 540. X plus x, you have 2x plus 120 plus 30, 150 plus 110, 260. 2x plus 260 degrees is 540 degrees. 2 angle x is equal to 540. Bring 260 this side, it becomes minus 260. If you subtract these two, you will get 280 degrees. 2 angle x is equal to 280 degrees. Angle x is equal to 280 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to 140 degrees. Therefore, angle x is 140 degrees, and this is your homework.